It is so beautiful over here. It looks like a jungle. Look at it, with all the wild birds flying. I don't know if you can see them. And then there's a squirrel over there on that tree. I don't know if you can see him. It is beautiful. Every time I come over on this side, it's like, oh boy, it is beautiful, but there's so much more work to be done. But can you hear the bird? Can you see the squirrel? It's over there. Leave it here for a minute. Maybe you can see the squirrel over there. And there's another bird up there. I don't know where that squirrel went to. But it's beautiful. It looks like a jungle over here. I would love to know what type of plant these are. I'm sure some of these are herbs in here. Not everything is wild. And they're growing great because we have this stream that's coming in. You see the water? The stream comes from over there. One comes from this way. Not this way. Comes this way. And then one over there. But just listen. When last have you went outside just to listen to nature? You know, nature is a book. It's a book that we can learn so many lessons from nature. So did you take time out today to just sit and listen to nature? Or maybe you had a chance to sit and look at the ants. Get a little cold here. There's another big hole here. Yeah. So this is a ravine. So it starts from there. And it goes on this side. I'll have to go on the other side to see some ant. Take time, my sister, my brother, to enjoy nature. That's our lesson book, nature is. Take time out to enjoy nature.